Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the Master Station. Hope you all are doing good. And in case you didn't already know, Speedcubing is a sport where people try to solve the Rubik's Cube and other puzzles as quick as they can, and try to get faster and faster and beat their own personal records. And it's a pretty fun sport. And this video is all about my very first Speedcubing competition and everything that happened. So without further ado, let's get on to it. So after many weeks of doing lots of hard work and preparing for the competition, okay, maybe not a lot of hard work, but I was preparing. It was finally the day right before the competition. So tomorrow I have the Cuban competition, and I haven't really done much practice these last 2 months because I've been quite busy with lots of stuff. So hopefully I at least do okay, even though I'm going to be really rusty tomorrow. But I'm excited. I hope it's going to be a fun event. I'm going to be doing 3x3, 2x2, cube, and pyraminx. So I hope to get some good times for those. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted tomorrow. And if you guys are wondering what happened to my glasses, it's a funny story. So I was doing cubing. I was grinding. Then the cube was coming at me. I was like, ah, the cube was like, grr. And I was like, ah, the cube was like, grr. Then it hit my glass. And I was like, no! And my glasses flew away. And when I got them, they were broken. Okay, that's not true, but don't worry about it. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow at the competition, and see you later. The next morning, after eating my very nutritious breakfast, I hopped into the car and we were off to the Cuban competition. Hi everybody, I'm about to go sign in, and then I'll update you guys soon. Yo, what's up everybody? I'm here inside the thing, and it's so noisy, it's so cool. I'm gonna do some quick cube setting up, and then I think we're gonna get a demonstration, like a tutorial, and yeah, see you guys soon.
8 seconds.
I've just finished my first average for 3x3, and I was also a judge. Overall, pretty happy with the results. I think I got a 21 point something second average, which is pretty good for me. And yeah, alright, I'm gonna do 2x2 soon, so I'll see you guys then. Hi everybody, I'm back.
So I just did my 2x2 solves, and I'm actually really happy. I got a solid average, about 6 seconds, and I also made it to round 2 for 3x3. So hopefully you guys will see some more solves from me in 3x3. And now it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna get some nutrients. I'm gonna consume some food before going into Scube and PMX. All right, see you guys soon. So I'm here with these two cubers right here.
Okay, here's my name tag. Jack.
Don't tell your name tag. Don't tell your name tag. So how are you guys doing today?
Great. He came to my competition with me because he wanted to, and there's another. I wanted more friends, but I knew some other friends will be quite bored. And just start snoring a lot.
Ah, I see. Well, are you guys having fun?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
That's awesome. Well, it's good.
Yesterday I just bought the more try version 3. It's really good and worth it.
Oh, nice. Alright guys, well it's been nice meeting you, and yeah, you guys are in the vlog. Let's go! Hey everybody, I'm back. I ate lunch and I've just competed in 3x3 round 2. I did pretty well. I got a 18-second solve, some really good solves actually, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results. You know, I was a little bit grumpy, you know, after, you know, lunchtime because I have to go back and do more cubing, but I'm actually happy now that I'm gonna go do some Scube. So I'll see you guys after I do some Scube and PMX. See ya! Hello everybody, and I have done my cube and I did my pyramid. Overall, pretty happy with the results. Unfortunately though, I did not qualify for round 2 or the final round, but that's all good. And I did a bunch of judging, which has been fun. And yeah, so now I'm just kind of tuning in to the last competitors as they solve their cubes. And overall, it's been a great competition. And yeah, I'll give you guys a reflection about it all soon. And yeah, see you guys then. So that was basically my competition, and it's now a couple days later, and I have to say the competition was really awesome. I enjoyed meeting all the young kids there. I had fun competing myself, getting new times, getting new personal bests, and I was there with my friend, which made it a lot more fun, a bit more competitive. It was pretty cool. So overall, I would definitely recommend going to a Cuban competition if you can. And yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the competition, very proud of myself, and yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video. I really hope you all have enjoyed this one, and see you guys later.